Hello, I am Dennis Sheehan, CEO of Cambridge Trust, and I'm delighted to have the opportunity to share perspectives on the year that was 2022 and our outlook for 2023. First, I will provide an update on the company's performance and milestones in 2022, and then Jennifer Pline, Head of Wealth Management for Cambridge Trust, will offer market perspectives on where we are heading in 2023. As of the third quarter and into the fourth quarter thus far, the company's results are positive, despite the many forces that we do not control, including the effects of inflation, rising market interest rates at the fastest pace in 50 years, and continuing geopolitical uncertainty. Looking ahead, economists are forecasting a potential recession in 2023 and a slowing or cessation of interest rate increases by the Federal Reserve. Cambridge Trust has managed through unfavorable economic periods before, and our strategy has helped us. We operate in tremendous markets with strong local economies, and while we may enter a recession, I expect our economy will weather the storm better than many. And as for Cambridge Trust, our conservatism when times are good prepare us for when times are bad. As we announced on October 1, Cambridge Trust has merged with Northmark Bank, with offices in North Andover, Andover, and Winchester. This strategic union connects Cambridge Trust's footprint in southern New Hampshire with our banking offices throughout eastern Massachusetts. We have grown our expertise in the innovation banking area, welcoming new growth stage companies to Cambridge Trust, notably in the Cambridge, Kendall Square area where the sector is thriving. We continue to lend at a strong pace, both commercially and residentially. In the latter part of this year, as part of our promise to our communities, we announced a $30 million commitment to affordable housing in New Hampshire with the New Hampshire Housing Authority, bringing our commitment to financing affordable housing in Massachusetts and New Hampshire to $140 million in the last 2 years. Now I would like to turn to the investments arena and bring in my colleague, Jennifer Pline. Jennifer, what have you been seeing in the investment arena in your post as Head of Wealth Management, and what is your outlook for both equities and fixed income?
Thank you, Dennis. I'd like to highlight a few focus areas as we turn the corner into next year. Economic overview, inflation and interest rates, market positioning, ESG and sustainability. The U.S. economy is in a late cycle and we are seeing high inflation, though it has come down somewhat in the last couple of months. Rising interest rates as the Fed continues to try to tame inflation, and a strong possibility of a recession, which may have already started. U.S. bond yields have risen significantly and the yield curve is inverted, which typically indicates a recession. The good news is that bond yields are now competitive with equities, which has allowed us to invest at more attractive rates for client portfolios. We are still cautious on the equity market. As we look at valuations, PE ratios have become more attractive, but stocks are still not cheap. We've increased our exposure to value and defensive areas, and we hold quality growth names given where we are in the economic cycle. As always, we invest in companies with solid management teams, strong balance sheets, and the potential for long-term growth. This is fundamental to our approach. We are long-term investors and try not to get caught up in the 24-hour news cycle. Cambridge Trust client portfolios are built to withstand short-term volatility. Having said that, we have been adjusting portfolios more frequently this year without straying from our long-term focus. One area that continues to be important for us is ESG and sustainability. This year, Cambridge Trust released its first sustainability report focused on diversity and our commitment to the communities we serve. We have been monitoring our greenhouse gas emissions and continue to believe that ESG has not lost its halo. Investing in this sector makes good economic sense. Finally, at this time of year, we encourage everyone to review their investment portfolio and conduct financial planning. You'll find our year-end financial planning checklist on cambridgetrust.com.
Jennifer, thank you for sharing those investment trends to watch next year. We feel excitement about the firm's new campaign entitled The Way to Wealth, which highlights each of the bank's business lines: private banking, wealth management, innovation banking, commercial banking, and residential. Each of our clients approaches wealth in their own way, and at Cambridge Trust, we customize solutions tailored to our clients' individual needs. From all of us at Cambridge Trust, we wish you a happy and healthy holiday season.